Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Cuisinaire at its Finest. Now for today's video, it's not going to be about food. It's not going to be about a recipe. I'm here because I want to share with you my experience so far with a product that I bought online. Ito yon. So, siguro naman the product is not a surprise kasi nakita nyo na yung thumbnail, no? Bago pa kayo nakaabot sa time na to ng video. Now, disclaimer, this is not a sponsored or a paid video. I bought this with my own money. So what you'll be watching is my honest review and thoughts about this microphone. Walang emito, walang Chenelin Camberlo, ano man yan, okay? So ano pang hinihintay natin? Let's move on with the video. So I recently bought the TNW N11 microphone from TikTok Shop and it arrived a few days ago. Of course, I couldn't wait, so I opened it right away to test if it's working. I thought this would be a nice upgrade for my content creation setup since the microphones I currently use are around 5 to 7 years old now. And let me tell you all about my experience so far with this new microphone, and we'll see if this mic is worth adding to your content creation gear. What I like about this microphone is that the design is simple but sleek. It's a plug-and-play mic, so it should be super easy to use. But here's the thing. I tried testing it with my Fujifilm X-A7. This is a vlogging camera. It's a mirrorless camera. And I was sad because it didn't work. It's actually kind of disappointing kasi kaya ako bumili ng bagong microphone is mainly for my camera use. Now, for now, I'm using my Boya BY-MM1 cardioid microphone with my Fujifilm X-A7. It's fine. The audio quality is decent. But one thing I've noticed is that it picks up a lot of ambient noise. So if there's any background sound, whether it's someone talking, vehicles outside, ang daming dumadaan na sasakyan dito sa amin, or even just random static, it's all there. You can hear it in the recording na kailangan ko pang i-adjust yung sound using CapCut to clean out the audio. And I'm hoping that the TNW N11 might help with that concern of mine, especially that this is a wireless microphone and it has a noise reduction or a noise cancellation feature. Hindi naman na siguro nakakapagtaka kung bakit ganun yung output ng audio ng Boya BY-MM1. 2017 ko pa nabili itong microphone na to. So, syempre, technology is always upgrading. And yun na yung pinakamagandang features at that time. Especially if we are talking about budget-friendly microphones. Now that it's 2025, it's just about time that I upgrade my microphone so that I can have that leveled up quality audio. All in all, 8 years ko nang gamit itong microphone na to. Gamit na gamit ko siya, so it definitely has served its purpose. While my N11 is not yet working with my camera, of course, since gumagana pa naman yung Boya ko, I would continue to use it while I'm still figuring out how I will make my N11 work for my X-A7. For my cooking videos, I usually do voiceovers and I use this non-branded wired lapel mic. Now, it works, but it's not the most convenient thing ever, since my phone has a Type-C port and no jack, I still have to use an adapter to plug it in, plus having to attach it to another device besides the adapter, while recording. It's just really not efficient anymore for me. That's the main reason why I wanted to try and use a wireless mic. Okay, I'm recording using my phone. This is a Samsung A55 phone. And ang gamit ko ngayon, yung front camera niya. Okay, walang naka-attach na microphone. And nakikita nyo naman, hinahangin-hangin yung buhok ko. So, definitely nakaharap sa akin or nakatapat sa akin yung electric fan. Okay, this is actually my problem kasi gusto mong mag-record na hindi ka pinapawisan, pero rinig na rinig yung hangin kapag yung itong boya yung gamit ko, kahit may dead cat na. Tapos, yan, may mga dumadaan na sasakyan, kahit yung boya yung gamit ko, naririnig siya. Again, if I get this kind of audio, pagdating sa editing, that's where I reduce noise, enhance voice, para lang matakpan talaga yung mga noise sa paligid. Pero it's gonna be an additional steps rather, when it comes to editing. Instead of ready to go na yung audio mo, no, isasalpak mo na lang sa video. Okay. Now, let's try connecting the TNW microphone to our camera. Alright, so I'm gonna start with the receiver. Okay. So, ayan, RX siya. Meron tayong Type-C. Okay. Hanapin nyo lang yung port na nakalagay OTG. Ayan. At this point, pagpasensya nyo muna, hindi pa nakakabit yung microphone ko. And I cannot use the lapel kasi nga, yung ano nito is, what do you call this? 3mm jack. Wala namang ganun yung phone ko. Naka-Type-C yung port ng phone ko. So, once you've connected the Type-C cable to the OTG port dito sa RX or sa receiver ng N11, ito yung i-attach natin sa phone. I-on na natin yung ating microphone. This is our transmitter ang tawag nila, kaya TX. Okay, you turn both on. O sige, unahin ko tong RX. Pag tinurn on mo siya, long press, iilaw. If it's blinking, ibig sabihin wala siyang ma-detect na microphone. Okay, now once I turn this on, long press din lang, ayan, nag-stop ng mag-blink. So, ibig sabihin, kumonect na itong si transmitter or the actual mic. Now, ito yung power niya. Now, this one na nagbi-blink, Bluetooth yan. You can connect to the microphone via Bluetooth. Pero hindi natin gagawin yan kasi nga magko-connect tayo via OTG. So, I'm gonna turn this off. Nasa pinakababa yung Bluetooth. O, ayan. Tumigil na yung Bluetooth. Okay. The last icon that's lighted here is the noise reduction or the noise cancellation. So, syempre, pag nakailaw, ibig sabihin naka-on siya. Pag papatay naman natin, you just go to the second button here. Apat yung buttons. Yung pangalawa, ayan. Wala tong noise cancellation. So, let's attach and then let's try the microphone out using several placements. Okay? I am recording holding the microphone. Walang noise cancellation. Again, I'm just holding the microphone. Hindi pa naka-on yung noise cancellation. Okay? So, malapit na malapit yung bibig ko sa microphone talaga. Pwede ko siyang itapat. I-attach natin itong dead cat. And let's see if there's any improvement on the audio. Madali lang naman i-attach. Tatakpan yung... Okay. So, ayan. Naka-attach na. So, with the dead cat, this is the audio with noise cancellation turned off. Again, this is the audio with the dead cat and noise cancellation feature turned off. Now, I am going to turn on the noise cancellation feature. Ayan, nakailaw na siya. So, with the dead cat, And for sure, gagamitin ko ito with the dead cat. The dead cat ang tawag ko dito. Para kasi siyang balahibo ng pusa. Okay. So, this is with noise cancellation on. This is my voice with the dead cat and noise cancellation on. And nakatapat sa akin yung electric fan. So, try to hear if naririnig nyo yung hangin ng electric fan. I'll stop talking for 5 seconds. Oh, may mga dumadaan ding sasakyan sa labas. I'll stop talking again for 5 seconds para check nyo kung naririnig nyo yung mga sasakyan sa labas. So there. Now, this is when hawak ko itong microphone. Now, I'm gonna clip this sa damit ko. Kung makita. Yan. Medyo bulky nga lang talaga siya. Okay. Meeting ko. Ayusin ko. Okay. So, this is the sound with the microphone clipped on sa aking blouse na naka-noise cancellation feature, naka-turn on siya. Again, this is the sound. Siyempre, hindi ka naman yuyuko na magsasalitang gano'n, no? Diretso yung tingin. So, this is how it sounds with the microphone clipped on. I have the noise cancellation feature turned on. Ganito siya. Sana naririnig nyo ako. Mic test 1, 2, 3. Mic test 1, 2, 3. Next, I'm gonna turn off noise cancellation and keep it clipped sa damit ko. Ayan. So, naka-turn off na yung noise cancellation. Okay, naka-clip pa rin siya sa damit ko. Again, magsasalita ako ng diretso. Hindi ako tutungo na ganyan. Okay, so nagsasalita ako ng diretso. Nakatingin ako sa camera. This is my voice without noise cancellation feature. Okay, and naka-clip on yung aking mic. Mic test 1, 2, 3. Mic test 1, 2, 3. We're gonna do another placement. Okay, naisip ko lang. Turn on muna natin yung noise cancellation, ano. Okay. So, naisip ko lang, what if, kunwari, ilagay ko siya tong microphone sa salamin ko. Ikiklip ko siya sa salamin ko. Ayan. So, mukha akong tanga, di ba? Hindi, naisip ko lang, kasi yung layo ng receiver sa bibig, mas malapit to. Okay? And then, naisip ko din, what if I'm gonna wear a cap na pwede ko siyang i-clip sa cap ko, so mas malapit pa rin sa bibig. Sometimes, you would vlog and you need both hands free. So, di ba, pwedeng hawak mo yung mic, tapos, ay hawak mo yung camera, and then nandito yung mic, o kaya nakasabit sa sombrero mo. And I'm also checking if the proximity of, you know, the microphone itself, yung layo niya sa mouth ko would actually matter when it comes to the volume and quality of the audio. So, we have noise cancellation on. Diretso ako magsasalita. Hindi ako magsasalita na gano'n. Okay? Diretso ako magsasalita. This is how it's gonna sound like. Mic test 1, 2, 3. Mic test 1, 2, 3. Hello, hello, hello. Okay? I still have the fan turned on. Okay? Now, I'm going to turn off noise cancellation. Pangalawa. Ayan. So, same placement. Mas malapit sa bibig. This is how my voice sounds like while the microphone is attached to my glasses. Mic test 1, 2, 3. Mic test 1, 2, 3. Naka-off po ang noise cancellation or noise reduction feature ng ating microphone. How does that sound? Okay. So I'm gonna pause recording. I'm gonna listen to the audio, or I'm gonna watch the videos that I've recently recorded, and I'm gonna tell you yung pinaka best sa akin. Balikan ko kayo. Ayun ba? Okay, so napanood ko na yung video, napakinggan ko yung what do you call this, yung audio dun sa mga iba-ibang placements ko ng microphone. And I realized na may certain placement na pwede, depende ko anong ginagawa ko. Okay? So if let's say I'm just sitting down here and I'm just talking, I'm really not needing to use both of my hands, it's okay to hold the microphone. And then syempre, turn on the noise cancellation or noise reduction. Okay, dapat naka-on siya. At saka, tapat na tapat talaga kasi yung microphone sa bibig. So, wala ka magiging problema. Okay. Now, when I am going to cook, which is madalas yung camera ko, itong Fujifilm ko, ito talaga yung ginagamit ko when I am doing cooking vlogs. What I'll probably do is just use my phone for audio. So, nire-record niya yung visual sa camera, yung audio kina-capture ng phone ko. And I can clip this transmitter to my glasses. Okay? Para, if I want to talk while I'm cooking, both of my hands are free. And maganda yung audio niya. Pwedeng naka-on or naka-off. Either way. Pero siguro, para marinig yung mga kulo, prito, ganyan, mas maganda kasing naka-turn off yung noise cancellation. Or not unless gusto ko lang yung sarili kong nagsasalita, then I might turn off. Or turn on rather, the noise cancellation. Okay. I'm gonna try one more thing. I'm gonna try to eat para makita ko rin kung okay ba to sa mga eating videos ko. May ASMR, ano na ba? Pero syempre, papatayin ko yung electric fan kasi nga, if it's ASMR, wala dapat talagang hangin na naririnig. So, we'll try that. I'll get something to eat. Yung matunog kainin, okay? So, ito, meron tayong pipino. Ayan, meron tayong pipino. And then, meron tayong sriracha mayo. So, we're gonna dip the cucumber or pipino sa sriracha mayo. So, ang gagawin ko, hawak lang yung microphone. Hindi ko siya i-clip. This is yung naka-clip. Yun yung pinaka hindi ko nagustuhan talaga. Okay? Kahit on or off yung noise cancellation, hindi ko talaga siya gusto. Mas gusto ko pa talaga yung nakasabit dito. Yun lang, mga lang talaga akong tanga. Pero syempre, kung voice lang na hindi naman nakikita yung mukha ko, okay na yun. Naririnig na yun. So, I'm gonna try to eat the pipino. Isa pa. Sarap nung sriracha mayo. May kick. Okay. Noise cancellation is on. Pag-bite. Okay, papatayin ko lang yung electric fan. Okay? Kunin ko lang yung remote. Okay, so nakapatay na electric fan. Once more. Kagat. Naka-turn on. I-off natin. Okay. I'm still chewing. Hindi ako magsasalita. Kakagat lang, kakain lang. At ngunguya. Okay. One last. Okay, I'm gonna watch the video again. And then, sasabihin ko yung preference ko when it comes to ASMR. I am so torn. What do I mean by that? Maganda sana tahimik yung paligid, ano? Pero, nung naka-turn on yung noise reduction or noise cancellation, kahit yung nguya, hindi ko na marinig. Then, when I listen to the one where it's turned off, rinig na rinig mo yung nguya, kaya lang naririnig mo din yung ingay sa labas. Wala na ako magagawa doon kasi yung neighborhood talaga namin, busy. Okay? Ang daming dumadaan na sasakyan. Tricycle. O, may mga nagpupukpok sa labas. Pag may, ewan ko kung anong ginagawa. May mga taong nagsasalita sa kapitbahay, sa labas. Diba? Wala na akong magagawa doon. So, ASMR, maybe I would do it in a quieter place sa kwarto ko. Pero ayoko naman kumain sa kwarto ko. So, o kaya isasara ko na lang yung bintana. Something like that. But then again, I like the one where the noise cancellation is off. That's for ASMR. My thoughts about the TNWN11. It does seem like a great option because, compact siya. Okay, it's wireless and it's budget friendly. Before I finally decided to buy this, pinagninilayan ko ng maigi kung magdi-DJI Mic Mini ako, which costs almost 4,000 pesos tapos isang microphone lang. This one, it's half the price pero dalawang microphone na. Okay? Now, the DJI Mic Mini, gusto mo yung option na 2 microphones, it's gonna cost you like a little less than 8,000 pesos. Pero yung one mic nila, nakaka-tempt talaga yun. Kasi 'di ba, alam natin maganda ang quality ng DJI Mic Mini. Pero iniisip ko na sige, ilalagay ko muna siya sa wishlist ko. Siguro kapag nakapag 100,000 subscribers na ako. So tulungan niyo ako makapag 100,000 subscribers. No? Kapag nakapag 100,000 subscribers ako, kaya pag nakaipon tayo ng konti, then for sure, bibilhin natin yung mas magandang microphone, which is DJI. Yan talaga yung inaay ko. DJI Mic 3 or itong Mic Mini. Well, the reason why I really bought this microphone is for my camera usage, but I really couldn't get it to work with my camera just yet. I'll still keep on testing it out with my camera. And again, if you know any options, cables, compatible cables, tips yan na mai-share ninyo for it to properly connect or work with my XA7. Let me know in the comments. It would definitely save me a lot of trial and error and time, of course. And I want to thank you in advance for that na as early as now. Yung mga ganyan, nabili ko pero hindi naman nag-work sa gusto ko, okay lang yon. It happens, Hindi kawalan sa akin yon. At least, it's working with my phone setup. So, okay na ako doon. Okay? And narinig nyo naman yung quality ng audio niya. Hindi na ako nagsisisi doon. Okay? There's another microphone from TNW which is part of their A series. Yung A37, yung pinaka-latest from their A series. That's a lot cheaper than a N11 rather. So ito, nakuha ko siya ng 1,600 something. Yung price niya sa TikTok shop, it's less than 1,900 pero may discount voucher kasi ako, so nabawasan. And meron akong free shipping. Now, the A37 is about 1,000 pesos. Meron pa nga 900 something sa ibang shop, okay, which sells the same, TNW A37. Pero pag pinapanood ko kasi yung mga videos noon, tapos pinapakinggan ko yung audio output, hindi ko nagustuhan. Para siyang tunog lata. Ang liit. Maliit, yeah, aesthetic. Demagnetize, may magnet feature para ikakabit mo ng madalian. Hindi mo na kailangan i-clip. Although may clip feature din siya, pero the sound, I didn't like it. So, I bought this N11 because of the sound quality. Mas crisp and mas clear ng malayo sa A37. And no one's talking about the N11. I don't know why. Puro A37 yung nakikita ko sa FYP ko sa TikTok shop. So, ayun, na-discover ko tong N11. So, where does this leave me with the TNW N11 microphone? Okay, it's not working with my camera yet, but I'm hoping it's just a matter of finding the right cable, okay? It does seem like a solid microphone for its price, and I can see it being useful for other setups like my phone setup. Mangangalikot muna ako at magdi-discover, to see if I can get it to work the way that I need it for my specific need. Again, kung ang solusyon lang talaga ay cable, magkano lang naman siguro yung cable, hindi man tayo abutin ng 1,000 din, okay? So, that's pretty much my experience with the TNW N11 so far, mga kakusina. Sana may nakuha kayong useful na information to help you decide kung bibilhin nyo ba itong mic na ito or look for other options. Now, if you do like this video, give it a thumbs up. Share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel para naabangan mo yung mga future uploads ko, okay, on my channel. You can also get to watch my old videos. Why not, diba? Ang dami ko ng videos na upload. So, if you have time, wala ka rin ginagawa, you can start watching them or try watching them. So that is it, mga kakusina. Masyado na sigurong mahaba tong video na to. Thank you for hanging out with me and see you again in the next video. Bye now!